2 years ago, we set out to change the way backpacks are used. We redesigned everything. Every seam and buckle, and we released Joey. And you loved it. All your support inspired us to challenge ourselves even further. So we started thinking about today's wallets. Let's face it. Wallets are either bulky and uncomfortable, or way too minimal. So we came up with something new. It combines handcrafted traditional materials with an innovative design. Meet DJIN. DJIN has just 2 compartments. You can access everything you need in one swift motion. The stainless steel clip can hold 10 cards, 20 bills, or any combination of the 2, so there's no wasted space. Coins? DJIN has a pocket that holds everything, from coins to keys to USB sticks. We've also given DJIN a concealed drawer for the small items you need to keep safe. Oh, and once again, we've got your back. DJIN comes with an RFID blocking card, so forget about your information being stolen. Everything about this wallet is thin and light. We make it out of leather or microfiber, so you can choose the style that's right for you. DJIN is tiny, but it's got room for everything you need. Every day, everywhere. This is our second campaign, and once again, we're ready for production. We just need your support to make it happen. From our whole team here at Koala Gear, we want to thank you for bringing DJIN to life.